All right, so let's read it and see if we can figure out the two equations. So we have Erica, she bought 1 jumbo popcorn, X, 2 cookies, Y, 4 equals $5. 1 jumbo, 1X, plus 2Y equals $5. Marvin bought 1 popcorn, X, and 4 cookies, Y, 4 equals $6. 1 jumbo popcorn, 4 cookies, $6. Look at my coefficients. My X's are 1 and 1. My Y's are 2 and 4. Which ones are the same? The X's. We're eliminating X. Now, do I add or subtract? Well, they're both positive 1. So what's going to make those 1s go away? Subtraction. Same sign, subtract. Cross out the X's, they are eliminated. 2 minus 4 is negative 2Y. 5 minus 6 is negative 1. One-step equation, divide by negative 2. Y is 1/2, but this is a money, right? So I'm going to write it as a decimal, 50 cents. What's 50 cents? 1 cookie. Y is cookies, right? Yes. So 1 cookie is 50 cents. 1 cookie's, just 1 cookie. Now we got to figure out what Y is. I like equation 1. We got to figure out what X is, sorry. So 1 popcorn plus 2 cookies is $5. 50 cents twice is $1. Sorry for all the mistakes. What's happening? So 1X plus 1 is 5. Subtract the dollar on both sides. And we get X equals $4. So a jumbo popcorn is $4. And a cookie's only 50 cents. Pretty cheap. On the next slide... Oh, I didn't give you another slide. So, this is why we didn't need an extra slide. It's just asking for how much does each item cost, and we already answered it. This is the jumbo popcorn. This is the cost of the cookie. Make sure you write your answer in words. Your exit ticket is next. It's going to be a few different questions. So first, can you figure out what the equations are? And then asking you specifically to answer the question.